Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the final main character from Nightmare Before Christmas that I haven't never done before on my channel or my Instagram, and that is Zero, the ghost dog. Zero is adorable and one of the cutest little characters ever, so I had to do him this year. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. So to start off this look, we are going to cover our whole face and body for the most part in white paint. So I'm just picking up my water activated Sassy white paint. I'm going to start by drawing Zero's little kind of swooshy bottom. So just kind of let the brush go where it wants to. We're just going to fill everything in white from here to here. So as I'm filling in the bottom half here for Zero's kind of wavy little, like where his legs would be, I'm still using the wavy kind of strokes. This way it gives the paint a little bit of movement. While I let all these different layers of paint dry, we're gonna do the nose. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of orange paint on a brush, and we're gonna do his nose just right on the tip. And of course it's gonna be orange. Then we're gonna start filling in underneath the white with black. The last bit of paint that you're gonna need is red, and that's gonna be to do his collar. So I'm just gonna pick some up on the same kind of brush we used before and draw his red collar. Now we're gonna do the black eyes. We're gonna take a little bit of black paint and just draw the circular eyes that he has. They're kind of little ovals, so you're gonna wanna make them kind of long. Zero always has a smile, so we're gonna do his little smile. A light kind of purpley gray shade and just create some little movement. So kind of up over top here, under here, just kind of create like those little shadows that would happen if you were moving around. This is the finished look for Zero. I hope you guys liked it. I think this is like the last main character that I haven't done from Nightmare Before Christmas. So if you guys want to see me do other characters, like some of the toys and stuff like that, let me know down below and I will throw them on my schedule. But other than that, yeah, this is it. So please subscribe so you don't miss any more of 31 Days of Halloween, and check out the ones that you have missed if you are just joining me. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.